Every single time I have the opportunity to hear musicians play something I've written, it has the same effect. It's magical. It's no secret that Michael is a huge fan of orchestral film scores. He really wanted something thematically driven to help guide the audience and to sort of hold their hand and take them on the journey. The themes will then develop with them and maybe become slightly more complex or take a darker turn here or there.
We're seeing things that we've never seen before. As a viewer, we don't know anything about this engine. One of the biggest storytelling points for sound is to tell us how we should feel about the engine minute by minute. Is it functioning? Is it dangerous? Something like the time tunnel, Michael had said that we just want to blast off. Was it fun? Hell yeah.